What if one of the most powerful anti-aging remedies, disease fighters, and beauty boosters was not hidden in a luxury serum or an expensive supplement, but in a simple bottle sitting in your kitchen? For centuries, the Mediterranean diet has been praised as one of the healthiest lifestyles in the world. And at the center of it all stands olive oil, often called liquid gold. But here is the surprising truth: modern science is now confirming what ancient cultures already knew. Taking just 2 tablespoons of high-quality olive oil each day can transform your body, protect your brain, and even keep your skin glowing. Stay with me, because we are going to uncover not only the science behind olive oil, but also the 5 most powerful ways it supports your health, and some of them may truly surprise you. The science behind olive oil. Olive oil is far more than fat. It is a complex blend of powerful compounds that work together to protect and heal the body. Polyphenol, antioxidants that fight inflammation and slow down cellular aging. Oleic acid, omega-9, a healthy monounsaturated fat that supports heart health and metabolism. Vitamin E, a skin-loving antioxidant that keeps cells youthful. Squalene, a rare compound that nourishes skin and may even have anti-cancer effects. When combined, these nutrients make olive oil one of the most unique foods on earth, part nutrition, part medicine, part beauty elixir. Health benefit 1, the heart protector. Heart disease is still the #1 cause of death worldwide. But populations that consume olive oil daily, like in Greece, Italy, and Spain, consistently show lower rates of heart attacks and strokes. Why? Olive oil reduces bad LDL cholesterol while raising protective HDL cholesterol. It lowers blood pressure, improves blood vessel flexibility, and reduces clotting risk. In one major study, people who consumed at least 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil daily had a 30% lower risk of major cardiovascular events compared to those who avoided it. Imagine this: every spoonful is like sending a protective shield into your arteries, keeping them smooth and elastic. Health benefit 2, the brain booster. Your brain is nearly 60% fat, and it thrives on healthy fats and antioxidants. Olive oil provides both. The polyphenol in olive oil reduce brain inflammation, one of the key drivers of memory decline. Oleic acid supports the fluidity of brain cell membranes, improving communication between neurons. Regular olive oil consumption has been linked to lower risk of Alzheimer's and other dementias. In fact, one study found that older adults who followed a Mediterranean diet rich in olive oil performed better on memory and thinking tests than those on a low-fat diet. Picture this: a simple drizzle of olive oil over your salad may be nourishing not just your body, but also sharpening your mind for years to come. The power of olive oil, Part 2. Health benefit 3, anti-cancer and anti-inflammatory protection. Chronic inflammation is at the root of nearly every major disease, from arthritis to diabetes to cancer. Olive oil is one of nature's most powerful anti-inflammatories. Its polyphenol work like natural ibuprofen, calming inflammatory pathways in the body. Studies show that just 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil can reduce markers of inflammation within weeks. Even more remarkable, populations who consume olive oil daily show lower incidences of certain cancers, particularly breast and colon cancer. Scientists believe this is due to olive oil's combination of antioxidants, anti-inflammatory compounds, and healthy fats that protect DNA from damage. Think of it as armor, surrounding your cells and shielding them from daily stress. Health benefit 4, weight management and metabolism. Here is a surprising twist: adding olive oil to your diet may actually help you lose fat. While many people fear oil because of its calories, research shows that olive oil increases satiety. It helps you feel full, reducing the urge to snack. It also improves insulin sensitivity, which helps prevent sugar spikes and fat storage. In one long-term Mediterranean diet study, participants who consumed extra olive oil daily lost more weight than those on a standard low-fat diet. This proves that it is not about eating less fat, it is about eating the right fat. Health benefit 5, skin and beauty. And now, the benefit you will notice on the outside. Olive oil is a true beauty elixir. Its vitamin E and squalene nourish skin cells, keeping them supple and youthful. When consumed regularly, it helps skin resist sun damage, reduces dryness, and supports natural collagen production. But olive oil does not only work from the inside. Applied topically, it softens skin, strengthens nails, and restores shine to hair. In Mediterranean cultures, it is common for women to massage a few drops of olive oil into their skin at night, a ritual that has kept generations glowing. A human story, Maria's secret. To understand the real power of olive oil, imagine Maria, a 75-year-old woman from Crete. She still walks to the market every morning, climbs stairs with ease, and has skin that glows with vitality. When asked about her secret, she smiles and says, 2 spoons of olive oil every day, and a life filled with laughter. Her story is not unique. Across the Mediterranean, men and women live longer, healthier lives, and olive oil is always part of their daily rhythm. Beyond the 2 tablespoons, practical applications. Yes, 2 tablespoons per day are powerful. But olive oil can support you in many more ways. Morning detox. Mix 1 tablespoon of olive oil with a squeeze of lemon juice. Drink it before breakfast to support the liver and digestion. Heartburn relief. A teaspoon of olive oil before bed can ease mild acid reflux. Immunity booster. Warm a spoonful with crushed garlic and take at the first sign of a cold. Beauty ritual. Massage a few drops into dry skin, nails, or hair ends for natural shine and moisture. Cooking smart. Use olive oil to dress salads, roast vegetables, or as a base for healthy marinades. Olive oil is not just food. It is medicine, beauty, and tradition in one. How to choose the right olive oil. Not all olive oils are equal. For maximum benefits, always choose extra virgin olive oil. Cold pressed. Stored in a dark glass bottle. Avoid light or heavily refined versions, which lose much of the healing power. Final recap. 1. Olive oil protects the heart. 2. It nourishes the brain. 3. It lowers inflammation and shields against cancer. 4. It helps manage weight and metabolism. 5. It beautifies skin, hair, and nails. And beyond the famous 2 tablespoons, olive oil can soothe, heal, and rejuvenate in countless ways. Closing inspiration. The secret of olive oil is not complexity. It is simplicity. It is about making one powerful choice every single day that, over time, shapes your health, your beauty, and your life. So the next time you drizzle olive oil over your salad or take a spoonful in the morning, remember, you are not just eating. You are participating in a ritual that has kept generations vibrant and radiant. If you found this video inspiring, make sure to check out my video on 6 fruits that can protect the prostate, nature's hidden secrets. You will find the link on your screen and in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, feel free to give it a like and subscribe to my channel so you will not miss anything in the future. Thank you.